Yes, welcome back to my channel. This is Ariel Ferrari Vlog. So ngayon, for today's video guys, punta tayo sa Rib Shack guys. It's all about only rice. So puntahan natin guys. So let's check it out. Ang pinaka-paborito namin guys, dito ang Rib Shack. Dito tayo sa SM City, Cebu. Yan guys, puntahan natin guys kung anong klaseng mga pagkain dito guys na naka-only rice lahat guys. Okay, let's check it out. Right, punta natin. Let's go. So, mamili tayo guys kung ano orderin natin guys. Pero napili ko na guys. I-try ko itong ribs nila guys. Right, with only rice. So, lahat dito guys is only rice. Alright, magsawa tayo dito ng kanin guys. Ito lang ang pinaka-only rice nila guys. Okay, punta natin, let's go. Alright, pasukin natin guys. Okay, yan. So marami tayo makakain dito guys. So ito ang ating first lunch dito sa SM City, Cebu. Yan, dito tayo mag-lunch. Yan ang kanilang restaurant. Ang pangalan, Rib Shack. Yan, masarap daw dito guys. Okay, check natin guys kung ilang beses tayo magkain. Okay, alright, let's check it out. Alright, sige, hintayin natin ang ating order. Maya maya lamang guys, serve na yung order natin guys. Okay, let's bring it on. Kung ilang rice ang makakain natin guys, let's count. This is the first rice. Alright, okay, yan yung gano'n po guys. Yan, okay. Watch until the end guys. Okay, yan, isa pa lamang yun guys. Hintayin natin. Alright, smile lang tayo. Okay, hanggang ilang rice ang pwede natin kainin. Okay, let's go. Okay, yan, gugutom si Janine guys.
A few moments later.
Yan, okay, pangalawang rice. Okay, upos agad. Yan, okay, naka-smile si kuya dahil pangalawa na daw to guys. Okay, let's go. Kain ulit. Right, sige lang, pangalawa. Take 2 na yan guys ha.
Pasensya na kay Gigutom.
Okay, take 3.
What's that?
Right,
Uy, ako eh.
busto sa akin. Take 4. Thanks for watching.